Hey everybody, my name is Tyler Whitman. I'm a real estate agent at Triple Mint.
And I am Kirsten Jordan. I'm a real estate agent with Douglas Elliman.
We have done something crazy. We have decided to co-list an incredible property here in Tribeca at 143 Reed Street. And it is owned by an interior designer named Carolyn Presley. She has customized every square inch of the home. And I think right here in the entryway is a great place to get started.
She's done some incredible work here. They selected this incredible wallpaper that actually is vinyl and hand painted. And then the other thing that's really cool is she did brass inlaid oak floors, which are completely custom and flown in from Alabama.
The other thing you're gonna notice throughout the home is the lighting that she has done. It is a circadian rhythm lighting.
There's a lot more to see in this 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3,200 square foot home in the heart of prime Tribeca. Here we are in the great room. It is 20 by 40 feet, and you have a kitchen, dining, living, incredible ceiling heights, along with custom finishes throughout the entire space.
Nothing in this apartment is cookie cutter, and that is perfectly shown by this incredible kitchen.
She did like hand-blown glass that are the lighting fixtures. And then additionally, they have this crazy wine dispensary. The massive island is indestructible marble and completely tasteful, but perfectly in sync with the colors that you have of this custom cabinetry. Additionally, what they did was so cool is putting terrazzo floors in the great room so that it's completely indestructible. You could ride your bike in here, you could have high heels in here, and it's gonna last forever.
What I love about showing this property is that there's so much room for really any style of furniture that you want. Like we have these two beautiful custom sofas here, and it doesn't feel cramped at all.
What's super cool here too is that every single piece is pretty much custom for this home. So even these couches are completely new and special and have never been done anywhere else. And there's tattoo on the back with
There's a tattoo on the back of them.
You also have super high ceilings and overhead beautiful lighting along with incredible fixtures that accent every single angle.
I love all of that, but there is still so much more to see.
Well, there's nothing I know better than kids, so I'm happy to show you guys the back wing where there's a lot of bedrooms and a lot of space. You know when you've entered the kids wing because there are pink and purple court floors, which are super, super easy on the feet and super easy on kids that are running around and roughhousing. What's awesome about this wing, there's 2 full bedrooms, outdoor space, and there's also a bonus room that doesn't have windows but is perfect for media, television, and watching movies.
This is probably my personal favorite room in this home. Everything in here was just customized to total perfection, and I'll be honest, it's my taste to an absolute T. So you can see the room has a lot of flexibility. It works as a den. You have this great sitting area. It also works as an office. You have this huge picture window. You have this incredible ceiling detail, which is all metallic and this great lighting effect. It's honestly gorgeous. You gotta see this. Oh, well, here you are. I see you've made yourself very comfortable here in the primary suite.
This is the best room in the house. I love this room. I love how they did these reclaimed beams that actually have their own recessed lighting. It really accents how high the ceilings are. And then you have incredible light from these south-facing windows.
So one of my favorite features is this built-in bed area because everything is, perfectly outfitted, but then you have all this storage that's flanking on the sides of it with the hidden nightstands. You almost don't even know that they're there. Secrets. I like secrets in my nightstand. I also like secrets in the bathroom. Let's show them the bathroom.
Yeah, let's do that.
A bubble bath for me, hook it up, all about it.
I completely agree with you. The 2-tone oak floors that are kind of in a chevron pattern really dovetail with all of the diamonds and the gold and all these incredible hues that are in the bathroom. I'm into this bathroom, but you know what? I'll let you hang out in the tub and manifest your dreams, and I'm heading out.
I love that plan. Let me know how it goes. When you sell the place, I'm manifesting that. I need a commission, darling, and a bubble bath. I could not love showing an apartment more than I love this one. I mean, it's just so detailed, so spectacular. I'm obsessed with it.
And we are actually in the heart of Tribeca. This feels like you're in Paris or you're in Italy, but you can actually be in downtown Manhattan and scoop up this beautiful place.
This is a hot one, and it's really special. I love showing this place, so thanks for stopping by.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.